Welcome to our channel. Today we how to register with Stripe for accepting rental application fees, complete guide step by. To begin using Stripe for accepting rental application fees, navigate to the Stripe website. Click on the Start Now button to initiate the registration process. You will be prompted to sign up for a new account. Provide your email address and then create a secure password. Verify your email address by checking your inbox and clicking on the verification link sent by Stripe. Once your email is verified, log in to your Stripe account. Next, you will need to provide some basic information about your business. Enter your legal business name, type of business entity, and the country in which you operate. Fill in your address information accurately, as it will be used for verification purposes. Stripe will request your phone number for account security and support. After entering your phone number, verify it via the code sent to your mobile device. Now, you will need to provide information regarding your business activities. Select the category that best describes your rental business. Indicate whether you will be processing rental application fees, and explain your business model briefly. Stripe will also ask for a bank account to facilitate fund transfers. Provide your bank account details, including the account number and routing number. Double-check that all entered information is correct to avoid any issues. Once all information is provided, review Stripe's terms and conditions. Agree to the terms to proceed to the next step. After agreeing, your account will be created. You might be prompted to complete additional verification steps based on your business type. Provide any additional documents if requested, such as identification or business registration certificates. Once all verifications are complete, your account will be approved. Now you can configure your payment settings. Set up your payment preferences, including currency and payment methods. Stripe allows you to integrate payment gateways into your rental application platform. Follow the integration instructions provided by Stripe for your chosen platform. Test the payment flow to ensure that everything is functioning correctly. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.